Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy call options on Fidelity. First, you need an active Fidelity brokerage account. If you don't have one, opening it is your initial step. Next, apply for options trading approval within your account settings. This process ensures you meet the necessary requirements. Finally, ensure your account is funded with enough capital to cover your desired option purchases. A call option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy 100 shares of an underlying stock at a predetermined price, called the strike price, before a specific expiration date. You purchase calls when you anticipate the stock price will rise. Understanding these core components is crucial before making any trades. Once approved and funded, log into your Fidelity account. Search for the stock symbol you're interested in. Navigate to the options chain and select Trade Options. Here, you'll choose your desired call option contract based on its strike price and expiration. Finally, specify the quantity, order type, and price before submitting your trade. After placing your order, it's vital to actively monitor your call options performance. Market conditions can change rapidly, impacting your investment. Understand the potential profit and loss scenarios as the expiration date approaches. Remember, options trading involves risk. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees, black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.